Welcome to our channel where we guide you through every step to verify your Rover pet sitter account quickly and securely so you can start caring for pets with confidence. Welcome to our channel where we guide you through every step to verify your Rover pet sitter account quickly and securely so you can start caring for pets with confidence. Verifying your Rover pet sitter account is an essential process to build trust with pet owners and unlock more opportunities. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, start by logging into your Rover account on the official website or app. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile, where you will find the verification section clearly marked. The platform will require you to provide accurate personal information, including your full name, address, and phone number. Make sure all details match your official documents to avoid any delays. After entering this information, upload a clear, valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. The system usually accepts common forms like state ID cards as well. Ensure the image is well lit and all text is readable. Next, Rover may ask for a background check authorization. This process helps verify your history to ensure pet owners' safety. Follow the prompts to submit your consent and wait for the background check to process, which typically takes a few days. Additionally, you might be required to upload a selfie or a short video introducing yourself. This helps put a friendly face to your profile and adds extra trustworthiness. Once all documents and verifications are submitted, review your profile to confirm every section is complete and all information is accurate. Keep an eye on your email or notifications from Rover for confirmation that your verification is approved. If any corrections are needed, the platform will notify you promptly. Successfully verifying your account not only boosts your profile's credibility, but also increases your chances of receiving bookings from pet owners who prioritize safety and reliability. Remember to keep your profile updated if any of your details change in the future to maintain your verified status. That's the straightforward path to making your Rover pet sitter account verified and ready to welcome furry friends. Don't miss out on the opportunity to provide excellent care by completing these steps today.